What's up, guys? 2018 National Treasure Soccer left side serial number break. We are going live. Timestamp is 514. I already have the names in and the numbers in. We randomize both, then throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up in the spreadsheet, that is who you get. We will start with the names. Dice 4 or more. It is a 10, going 10 times on the names. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final, number 10. Ralph is on top. Bradley is on the bottom. ZBUBYI is the code. Let's throw these in the spreadsheet. There we are. Now let's do the numbers. Again, 4 more. 7. I have no idea why it sits there and does that now. It used to, as soon as you clicked it, it would go, but 4, 5, 6, and 7. 0 on top, 9 on the bottom. GPFHBA is the code for the numbers. Again, where you line up, that's who you get, guys. There you go. Those are your numbers. Good luck, fellas. It is soccer, which is kind of crazy. Never done soccer before. Done 5-1-5. Thanks, guys.